Tahuti. All the stars out tonight. You can't see them. Man, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, man. I'm finna get back to the crib, smoke some earth,
wind, and fire.
Drink some coffee, and create some more shit. Meow. The ancient Egyptians regarded Thoth as one, self-begotten and self-produced. He was the master of both physical and moral, i.e. divine, law. Making proper use of Ma'at, he is credited with making the calculations for the establishment of the heavens, stars, earth, and everything in them. The Egyptians credited him as the author of all works of science, religion, philosophy, and magic. The Greeks further declared him the inventor of astronomy, astrology, the science of numbers, mathematics, geometry, surveying, medicine, botany, theology, civilized government, the alphabet, reading, writing, and oratory. They further claimed he was the true author of every work of every branch of knowledge, human and divine. Tahuti. But at the same time, that's all me. Good brother moment. What has the greater value, wins or losses?
They don't even know what that word means, keeping it real. They say it, but they don't know what it means.
Thank you for listening to Meluhnated MEdia.